Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Today is a book summary day. So the book which I have selected, that is The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, which is written by Stephen Covey. In a world filled with distraction, busyness, and confusion, what really makes a person effective? Is it talent, intelligence, or luck? Stephen Covey, in his world famous book, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, reveals that success comes from building strong character and timeless principles. Let's explore these 7 powerful habits that have helped millions of people become more focused, confident, and successful in life and in work. Habit number 1, be proactive. Covey says you are not a product of your circumstances but of your choices. Being proactive means taking responsibility for your life. Don't blame others. Don't wait for change. Create it. Instead of saying, I can't, start saying, I choose to. Highly effective people focus on what they can control and let go of what they can't. For example, if you are stuck in traffic, you can complain or use the time to listen to an audiobook and grow. Habit 2. Begin with the end in mind. Covey asks, what do you want people to say about you at your funeral? This habit teaches you to define your life goals clearly. Then live every day with that purpose in mind. If you don't know where you are going, you will wander aimlessly. Highly effective people write a personal mission statement, guiding their decisions and direction in life. Tip: imagine your ideal future. Now ask yourself, are your daily actions moving you toward it? Habit 3. Put first things first. Life is full of urgent things, emails, calls, demands. But what's truly important? This habit teaches time management with purpose. Highly effective people focus on what matters most: relationships, growth, health, even if it's not urgent. They live by priorities, not pressure. Example: instead of checking social media first thing in the morning, spend 10 minutes planning your goals. Habit 4. Think win-win. Life isn't a competition. There doesn't have to be a loser for you to win. Thinking win-win means seeking mutual benefit in all relationships. It's based on respect, integrity, and cooperation. Highly effective people don't try to win arguments. They try to find solutions that work for everyone. Practice. In your next conflict, ask, how can we both win in this situation? Habit 5. Seek first to understand, then to be understood. We often listen to reply, not to understand. This habit teaches empathetic listening, deeply understanding the other person before speaking your point. Highly effective people make others feel heard and valued, which leads to better relationships, trust, and teamwork. Practice. Next time someone speaks, pause, listen carefully, then repeat what they say to confirm understanding. Habit 6. Synergize. Synergy means that 1 plus 1 can equal 3. When people work together creatively, highly effective people value diversity, collaboration, and new perspectives. Instead of forcing everyone to think the same, they invite differences because together we are stronger. Example: a team of people with different skills can build something far better than one person alone. Habit 7: Sharpen the saw. Imagine trying to cut a tree with a dull saw. You wouldn't keep cutting. You would stop and sharpen the blade. This habit is about renewing yourself, body, mind, heart, and soul. Highly effective people rest, reflect, and recharge regularly so they can keep growing. Tip: Take care of your health. Keep learning, connect with loved ones, and nourish your spirit. Conclusion: These 7 habits are not just rules, they are a roadmap for personal transformation. They help you become the best version of yourself: calm, confident, focused, and fulfilled. If you start practicing even one habit today, you will feel the change in your thoughts, your actions, and your results. So, which habit will you start with? Comment below and let us know. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bright Vibe, where every video helps you live smarter, better, and happier. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz.